Hello, everybody. It's me again. And today, like I said in the next video, we'll be talking about these things. Do you know what these things are? Have you ever used any of these things? Or have you seen anything similar? So, these things are what we call shoehorns. Shoehorns. So, shoehorns are made of different materials. So, this is a plastic like thing, but it's been designed to look like a bowl or a horn. So there are shoe horns that are actually carved from horns of animals, like wild animals, and then they carve the shoe horns from those. So they would resemble things like this. They come in different shapes. The handles come in different shapes and sizes. And like you can see, they come in different lengths. There are pretty shorter ones, maybe about this length, and then there are some that can even go like this. You can use for a key holder also. Okay, so today I'm showing you how they are used. So this is a double monk strap. This is a new shoe, and so shoe horns, when you are wearing your shoes, this part of the shoe, if you do not use shoe horns, your foot or the heel presses this area, and so you see this place sort of falling and becoming it becomes soft and it looks wobbly. It doesn't flatter the shoe. And imagine you work in a bank or a lawyer, a doctor, whatever. You're going into a meeting, you're going to see that girl or her parents and her friends, and then you are wearing shoes, and then when you get there, when they look at your heel, they see folds and crease and all over. That's not cool, and that's not the OG style. So shoe horns, this is how they are used. So this is a double monk strap. So you're going to wear the shoe. Obviously you undo the buckle. So buckle undone, second buckle undone. Okay, you would usually, so we're going to use the shoe tree as to represent the foot. So this will be the foot wearing the shoe tree. Sorry, the foot wearing the shoe. So this is somebody's foot, a representation of somebody's foot. So your foot. So it's your foot. Yes, so this will be your foot, and then your foot is going into the shoe. So what it'll do is it will press here, and then you can see the stress already building up here. So then for this place would fold, this part of the shoe would fold out or fold in a funny way, which would flatter the shoe basically. So if you have a shoe horn, when you're wearing the shoe, some people actually do is they'll put their finger here and push, and sometimes when they wear them to fold, and then you have to put your finger here and come and pull it out and things like that. All that does not flatter the shoe, and it actually destroys the shoe quicker, and that's why you can't wear your shoes for long. So when you have invested in good leather shoes, you need to get shoe horns. So another thing too is with the finger, the shoe is made to fit your foot. There's no room for the thickness of your finger. I'm a woman, and this is the thickness of my finger. There's no room for that, and you're a guy, so you can imagine. So you put the shoe, and that's why the shoe horns are very thin. They are thin, just a few millimeters thick. Just a few millimeters thick. And so you put them, and they are smooth, so that they can slide out. They can slide in and out easily. So you put the shoe horn here, and then so you try and hold it at almost 90 degrees to the base of the shoe. So 90 degrees would be like this, but you try to get it about 90 degrees. You might have to slant it a bit, so, and you straighten it as you go along. So you put the shoe horn in the back of the shoe, and then you can push your foot now here, and as you can see, the foot just slides on the shoehorn. When you're done, your foot is in the shoe. There's pressure from your foot onto the shoe, so you just pull the shoe horn out, and that's basically it. So demonstrating again with this one, the shoehorn is in the back of the shoe, your foot is going in, push, goes in, and it comes out easily. The reason for the different lengths in the shoehorns is, some of you are generously some of you have a generous belly, so you are generously endowed at the belly area, so you can't bend. And yeah, also really with old age, it's difficult for people to bend all the way. Sometimes you're standing and you slip the shoe onto, you can't bend all the way down with a shorter shoehorn. So what you do is, we have the longer one. This is about 41 centimeters long, so you can bend halfway, just bend at the waist, and then put the shoehorn in the shoe, and just slide your foot in the shoe, and that's just about it. So this is how shoehorns are used. These shoehorns are available. This one is not available. This is what I use for work, but these ones are available. This is stainless steel, and then a PVC handle, but they come in, I make them, I customize them. So instead of the PVC handle here, you can have a brown or black leather covering this part with people's names or initials or a message on this area of the shoehorn. So with Val's Day coming, ladies, the guys say there are too many boxes. They're getting too many boxes and handkerchiefs and things like that, and socks. Well, they wear shoes, so the socks, for my business, I would support. But yes, this year it's an opportunity to get someone a custom made or like customized shoe horn, so their shoes can look good. So when you step out with them, yes, they'll know that yes, they know a thing or two. They are neat, they look dapper, and that's the goal with fine shoes. So remember to share and like and ask questions and comments. They're always welcome, and I would put a link below where you can find the shoe horns to buy from Asparte. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll be looking forward to your feedback. Cheers, till later, and remember, always keep your shoes fine.